Hey everybody, what is going on? I'm Manuel. This is my YouTube channel, Touring Midwest, and today we're going to install the Custom Dynamics ProBeam LED filler on my 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. If you have been following the channel for a while, you know that I was running the standard Custom Dynamics fillers. I'll just see if I can show you the difference here. This was the standard one that I was running, and these are the new ProBeam from Custom Dynamics. Now these are really awesome, super bright, nothing wrong with them, but my friends at Custom Dynamics wanted to send me out the ProBeams to try out and show off a little bit, so that's what I'm doing. Who's gonna argue with that, right? So here we go. Make sure you clean it up really well. Hit it with some alcohol to make sure it's really nice and clean so you get good contact. The other thing that's gonna give you nice clean area and a prepared surface for the 3M tape is the 3M Primer 94. Now most of these kits come with primer. I've got like a couple little jars of it also, but Custom Dynamics sends these little primer vials or whatever you want to call them. So basically all you have to do is squeeze them, they'll crack, and then you can get this foam tip saturated with the primer and just put it on. Alright, so now you just want to rub this on the area. So after you put this on, you want to just let it dry for about 3 to 4 minutes. I'm going to put some on this side as well.
A few moments later.
Alright, well I think it's been long enough, so let's go ahead and pop these things in. Basically all you're going to do is run the wire through the spot. We have to remove the backing on the 3M tape. Now if you wanted to, it probably isn't really a bad idea to actually test these first, but I'm having faith that they're good. So we just remove that tape and then just click them into place and put some pressure on there all the way around. 3M tape is really activated with pressure. I'm going to do the other side and then we'll go around and wire it up. Also included with the kit is 1, 2, 5, 6 zip ties. So once you've decided how you're going to route your wire, I have a pretty good idea already because like I said, I already removed the old fillers and I'm just going to do the same thing with these. Basically you just want to zip tie them. So I'm using these little, I don't know what they are, but I'm just going to use them because that's what I used the last time, and that served me well for quite a while. This is all hidden by the saddlebag, so not really any need to get real crazy technical, whatever. I think I'm going to run this right up through between the fender strut and the fender. Throw another zip tie right on this last one behind the strut, the shock or whatever you want to call it, and that's done. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so at this point we're ready to actually hook everything up. Now I have the Magic Strobe kit installed, so it might look a little bit different on your motorcycle. Basically, it would be this harness connected to this harness right here. This is the main harness. This goes to the tail lights. So I want to put it in after my Magic Strobe kit, which is right here. So I'm going to unplug this. One thing that I'm super happy to report is the ProBeams are all plug and play, where the previous version of this that I had on, I had to do a little bit of wiring using posi taps, which really isn't a big deal, but this is just super quick, super easy. And this is wired, so it makes total sense, but they do want to make you aware that the left side has the purple wire, the right side has the brown wire. So what we're going to do is, there's only one way this can go. Plug it in. Plug it in. Hopefully we can get the seat back on here. All these wire harnesses. Zip tie this extra wire together. Plug it in. I'm just going to tuck that down between the fender strut and the fender. And the same thing for this side. And that's it. It's hooked up. Time to test them out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try the right blinker. Alright, so there you have it. Pretty simple, right? That's basically how to do it. I just got to put the bike back together now. Seat, saddlebags, all that. Clean up my mess. And then I'm going to bed. So, y'all stay safe out there as always. Have a good one. We will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest. Thanks.